Let's see here.
New DualSense controllers have more powerful springs and new parts that might fix stick drift. Man, I don't know what it is about controllers. I seem to break them all quickly. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just rough on, or maybe, I mean, I should also add in there that I haven't really been gaming in a long time. Like my kids really don't do that much of it either anymore. But there was a period of time where we were going through controllers, you know, and every single one had like a busted joystick just from overuse.
Interesting.
But the stick drift thing is like a well-known thing.
Yeah.
And I guess they're attempting to fix it. They have new colors, Nova Pink, Galactic Purple, Starlight Blue. It's amazing when it comes to these consoles have such a long lifespan compared to other consumer electronics that they get so many micro hardware updates because it's also such a mechanical thing. So over the lifespan, not only are you getting new colors, variations, limited special editions, improvements, the shrinkage of the consoles, but then you're also getting small micro adjustments to things like the controller. The new colored PS5 controllers appear to have been upgraded with slightly different components inside compared to the previous colors. Thanks to a video from Tronics Fix, so we get to see the inside of all three of the new colored DualSense controllers, where it looks as though Sony may have made subtle changes under the hood. So they get a bunch back, they see what's breaking, they see what's in good shape, what's not, and then they go ahead and make these subtle changes to it. So I guess if you want the latest and greatest controller, you're pretty safe buying one of these new colors because you're going to have those new components because those couldn't have been sitting on the shelf. Otherwise, you can probably read serial numbers and get crazy with it if you want one of the newer ones. But these are tough, man. There's these mechanical aspects in here. Wear and tear. People are rough on these things.
You should get them.
As explained in the video, the new controllers contain slightly different spring located behind the back L and R buttons. In the older Cosmic Red controller, the spring had a 0.25 millimeter thickness. The newer controllers have springs that measure 0.3 millimeters.
Surgical.
Yeah, just such a minor little change, but you know they didn't do it for nothing. It's very cool.
Yeah.